Apparently tomorrow there is an Toronto blizzard happening. Let's see what media has to say about this.
We are in the middle of what's been forecasted as Ontario's biggest winter storm in years. The first flakes began last night with the heaviest snow predicted during the morning.
This is probably true that this is the once in a decade kind of event, especially considering the scale of it. This is also rare to see a blizzard warning issued for the Toronto region. I just want to drive around and see how the situation is in Toronto, and hopefully I will not get stuck in the snow. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Environment Canada issued an winter storm warning with 40 to 60 centimeters of snow. The Toronto Transit Commission says all buses and streetcar routes were affected. The snowstorm also affected schools in Ontario, with many boards saying they will remain closed. Bus is stuck. Crazy driving on this snowy weather. You can see a lot of snow.
So weather is garbage for the roads are worse, so be very careful. Check the highway hotline as the wind and the storm starts to move.
Oh, that was really scary, and I'm glad I was not stuck, and I'm okay. Right now I'm going to downtown and see what's going on there. Let's see what happens. Okay. After 3 days of disruption of buses, the buses are running normal, the schools are open, and I hope you all like this video. Stay awesome. Bye.